Hi, this is Memo, designer, coder, and founder of Memo Studio. In this video, we are going to take a sketch and turn it into a fully parametric tower without using tools like Revit, Dynamo, Grasshopper, or Rhino. We are going to make everything from scratch using AI. We need to engineer a prompt. To do so, I'm breaking down the prompt into 5 sections, from sketch to CAD to BIM to cloud collaboration to parametric design. When you look at this sketch, you can immediately define main elements: the core, the corridor, the demising wall, and the exterior wall. So when we want to move from sketch to CAD, we are talking about attributes like geometry, like precision, like coordinates, like structures to locate our design. Generate the base core, square at 0, 0 with each side 10 meters, offset that 2 meters to generate the corridor, find the center of those edges, and make a perpendicular line with the length of 7 meters to make the demising walls, and then take those points and generate extra points with a simplex noise to generate the exterior wall. Now we get to BIM, where you want to talk about classifications, data, properties, hierarchy. That is why we need a data schema. Are you going to make your own data schema? IFC stands for Industry Foundation Classes, which is the file format you are using in Revit. To bring that technology in your software, you need an API, which stands for Application Programming Interface. Some APIs are closed, some APIs are priced, but some of them are open source, like OpenIFC by that open company. So you can ask AI to use OpenIFC by that open company to assign IFC classification and property data to all your elements: your walls, your spaces, your slabs, your beams, your columns, and every other single BIM element you need in your project. Next is cloud. Are you going to code every single piece of your web app? Or are you going to use an AI agent that is going to take care of your front end, back end, synchronization, and collaboration? Here you can talk about technologies you want to use in your software. For example, in your front end, you want to have React and TypeScript and IFC.js for viewer. You want to have live sliders. You want to have real-time sync. In your backend, you want Node.js. You want to have parametric logics and AI-driven edits. You want to store these transactions. You want to have AI geometry serialized as OpenIFC. Also, in your data and your collaboration, there are more attributes that you can talk to your AI to create it for you. Now that you have made the infrastructure, you can talk about parametric values of your tower: the rules, the dependencies, the adaptation, the regeneration. You can ask AI which parameters you want to make parametric for your tower, like the height, floor-to-floor height, the floor count. There are some dynamic behaviors between these elements. Whenever you change the core size, you want all offsets, walls, and outer boundary to regenerate. Now that we have engineered our prompt, let's send it to our AI agent and see what we get. This is what I got with only one prompt. It didn't create the exterior walls exactly as I asked, and it may not have implemented all the beam categories that I asked, but with one prompt, this is really impressive that you can change the core size, you can change the corridor offset, the demising wall lengths, the floor count, and the floor-to-floor height. So let's talk about what does this mean for the AEC industry, the architecture, engineering, and construction. It means democratizing design so anyone with a creative idea can design and present their idea without a need to a big firm. It also means democratizing the design platform itself. So anyone can use these open source technology and add to it and share it to the world open source. So if whatever I shared today ring the bell and made you think differently, please subscribe to Memo Studio, like and share this video, and please let me know in the comments what else do you want to see and know with these technologies. Thank you.